So hey Floss fam, it's your girl Marcy J, and today I'm back with another tutorial. So if it's your first time here, then welcome, and if it's not, then welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to achieve a flawless and fleeky wing eyeliner application. So if you guys would like to see more, then make sure to continue watching. So guys, starting off today's video, you'll obviously need eyeliner, because how can you achieve a fleeky eyeliner look with no eyeliner? So today I'll be using gel eyeliner. I'll be using Music Flower Longwear gel eyeliner, and this is actually in the shade dark brown. You can use whatever shade eyeliner you desire. It does not matter. I typically like to use gel eyeliner because I feel as though it goes on a lot more smoother than liquid eyeliner. Like liquid eyeliner, I feel like in order to apply it, you have to really be a professional and have a really steady hand in order for it to come out flawless, sharp, and fleeky. And I like my videos to be beginner friendly, so therefore that's why I'm teaching you guys the gel eyeliner method. And you'll also need an eyeliner brush. So this is actually a disposable eyeliner brush. It just needs to be very fine like this so that you can create sharp lines. So to start off this tutorial, all you'll need to do is take your eyeliner brush and dip it into your eyeliner gel like this, like so. And like I say, you always want to make sure you apply a generous amount, okay? So to start off this look, I'm going to start directly from the corner edge of my eye and create a line from this corner edge diagonally up to the tail of my eyebrow. Can you guys see that? And then what you want to do is create a triangle. So I'm going to create a triangle from this corner edge directly into the center of my eye like that. Starting from the beginning, you want to create a line straight across, and you want to connect it to that triangle that you made, like so. And then all you have to do is fill it in, like so. And I hope that makes sense, guys, because I'm trying my best to explain this to you guys. And I'm just touching it up a little bit. Keep in mind that your eyeliner does not need to be this dramatic. I'm just very extra, so that's why here. Mine is extremely elongated, and if right here throughout this edge it seems uneven or not straight, you can always go in and clean that up with some concealer. And yeah. So now I'm gonna demonstrate once again how to do it on the next eye. So once again, you want to create a line diagonally from the outer corner of your eye straight up to the tail of your eyebrow. And then from that tip, you want to create a line from that tip to the center of your eye. Center of your eye, like so. Did y'all see what I'm doing? Okay. And then from the inner corner of your eye, following the natural shape of your eye, you want to create an outline from the inner corner and connect it to the triangle that you created previously. And then you just want to perfect the lines like so. And then now you can go in and fill in your outline like this. You can fill it in. And this is why I like using eyeliner gel, because I just feel like it's just a lot more workable. Like, it's easier to work with. Like so. And can y'all see that? So Floss fam, that officially completes today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me demonstrate how I achieve my eyeliner application. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to comment down below, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also don't forget to click that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And as per usual, it was my pleasure, and I can't wait to see you guys in next week's tutorial. Ciao. Mwah.